Receipt confession. Most people don't think eating out is a problem. It feels normal. It feels earned. It feels small. But when I finally added it up, my dining habits were costing me $214 a week. Here's the part that surprised me. Most food spending doesn't come from restaurants. It comes from unplanned food, coffee runs, takeout on busy nights, lunch because nothing was packed. It doesn't feel expensive until it quietly becomes one of the biggest leaks in your budget. If you're trying to save money, food is usually where things fall apart. Not because you're irresponsible, but because food decisions happen when you're tired, busy, and hungry. This isn't about cutting joy. It's about eating well without letting convenience drain your money. Here's what my week looked like. A few lunches out, takeout on long days, coffee when mornings ran late, snacks because I didn't plan. None of it felt extreme. But when I added it up, it came out to $214. Not celebrations, not date nights, just default eating. This is where most people get stuck. Eating out because nothing's planned. Ordering food because you're exhausted. Buying lunch because you forgot to pack one. Snacks because you're already out. The problem isn't eating out, it's letting it become the backup plan. Here's what actually worked. First, I stopped trying to cook elaborate meals. Simple food wins. Meals that take 10 minutes, and food I'll actually eat. Second, I planned for busy days. Freezer meals, leftovers, one emergency dinner I don't have to think about. Third, I made eating out intentional. 2 meals out each week. Not zero, just planned. That one change cut my dining costs almost in half. The biggest savings didn't come from coupons or willpower. It came from removing decision fatigue. When dinner was decided before I was hungry, I didn't reach for delivery apps. When lunch was already packed, I didn't buy food just because it was there. Planning isn't restrictive, it's protective. That month, my food spending dropped by over $100. Nothing tasted worse, nothing felt deprived. I still ate out, I just stopped bleeding money through convenience. This isn't about never eating out, it's about knowing where your money goes. $214 felt invisible until it wasn't. And once I saw it, I could change it.